How do you pronounce words in Irish? Have you ever wondered how to pronounce words in Irish? The Irish language has its own unique sounds and rules that can be quite different from English. Let's break it down so you can feel more confident when speaking or hearing Irish. First, understanding vowels is essential. In Irish, vowels can be short or long. Long vowels are marked with an acute accent, such as A acute, E acute, I acute, O acute, and U acute. These vowels sound more drawn out. For instance, the word cas means case and has a long ah sound. In contrast, cas means twist and has a short ah sound. Short vowels are clipped, similar to the English words cat or sit. Next, let's talk about consonants. Initial consonants often change when they are combined with certain words. This process is known as uru or shavio. For example, the letter B can become MB in phrases. So R and M board sounds like mord. Similarly, C can turn into GC, making IG corkig sound like gorkig. The letter F can become BHF, so in fuel 2 sounds like will 2. These changes are common in questions or directions, so pay attention to them when you are out and about. Irish has 3 main dialects: Ulster, Connacht, and Munster. Each dialect has its own pronunciation quirks. For example, diagwid means hello. In Connacht, it might sound like diaghwich, while in Munster, it could be giagud. If you want to sound more like a local, you can use resources like Tinglen, to hear how words are pronounced in different regions. When you are traveling in Ireland, it is helpful to know some key phrases and place names. Many towns have anglicized spellings but keep their Gaelic pronunciation. For instance, Dún Laoghaire is pronounced Dun Laoghaire, and Cove is simply Cove. Here are a few phrases to remember. Slán means goodbye and sounds like slán. Go raibh maith agat means thank you and sounds like ga raibh maith agat. If you need to ask where the toilet is, say cub fuel in Líthrias, which sounds like Cábhail Léras. Another interesting aspect of the Irish language is how nouns change based on gender and context. For example, bus is masculine and becomes an bus for the bus. On the other hand, cahir is feminine and changes to na cathiricha for the chairs. While you don't need to master grammar, recognizing these patterns can help you understand signs or menus better. To wrap it up, focus on learning basic phrases and the pronunciation of place names. Irish speakers appreciate any effort you make, even if your accent is not perfect. Listening to locals and mimicking their speech can really help. Use apps or audio guides to practice sounds like the slender ch in loch or the broad dh in Gaelic. With a little practice, you will find yourself navigating the Irish language with more ease.